What's going on, good people? I go by the name of I Can Be Greedy. Welcome to Evergreen Hideout. So the topic for today is how to apply fertilizer. So I'm going to take you through how I apply my liquid fertilizer, and you can also join me. So for this topic here, we have many different types of fertilizers. We have salt fertilizer, we have powder fertilizer, and also liquid fertilizer. So if you have any other fertilizers out there, make sure to comment them down below, and I'll make a video soon about them. Please like and subscribe on the channel. Your support is much appreciated. Let's get started. Okay, so here's my liquid fertilizer. Now, this liquid fertilizer here has been brewing for quite some time. It is over 6 months now. Now, before you use this liquid fertilizer right here, you have to stir it to a consistency. Make sure that all the ingredients in this liquid fertilizer are all mixed up perfectly and correctly, because if they spend some time without being stirred, they will go under the bottom of the container. So before I use this fertilizer right here, I stir it first. I stir it for a good 2 minutes, and then I will be mixing it with water. So right now I am going to fetch my water, and then we carry on. Here is some water, and then what we are going to do is to measure our liquid fertilizer and mix it with water. So when measuring your liquid fertilizer, make sure to measure enough and don't make it much, because it might end up burning your plants. So for my garden, for a start, I'm going to use this quantity right here. And then what I'm gonna do is to stir in here. Now, as you can see, there is some variation between this one and that one. So we are going to use this one right here, and then we will carry on. Okay, so right now here's what we are going to do. I am going to connect the hose pipe right there, and then come back and sanitize my garden to make sure that my plants do not die and suffer from the liquid fertilizer. This process is to balance out the material from the liquid fertilizer and the water. So make sure that you water your garden and then apply your fertilizer. So right now what I'm showing you right here is onions and spinach right there. Now, as you can see, my spinach is still small there, about 1 or 2 weeks old, so probably I will see some results soon. So what I'm going to do right now is apply this liquid fertilizer right here per plant. So let's get it. Now what you want to do is not to apply this fertilizer on the garden soil. Make sure that you apply it where a plant is located. Now it is easy to apply fertilizers, especially these ones that are liquid. So at least once a week I do this process.